Hello guys, today I have something special to install on my Tenere 2024, and it's the ABS dongle made by LSK Electronics. This is made in Europe, in Czech Republic. It's probably $160, $170, and here is the dongle. This is a second generation dongle. So very easy to install. You unplug this, which I already kind of have. Unplug this section, and then you plug this in between. So let's do that right now. Like this. This one's gonna go right here. This is gonna go back where it goes. And there we go. We have it connected, and then you take the dongle actually, and there is a slot right here next to the battery. Stick it in there. Connected right there, right that to it. That's it. That's all done. Next thing you gotta do, when you turn on your motorcycle, it's got ABS on. Go to menu, ABS. You used to have to do all these things. Now you only press the button. When you press it once, the ABS is off. You press it in, the ABS is on. You hold it, both of the ABS is off, and then you turn it on. But the main thing is when you turn off your ABS, rear ABS off, and you turn off the motorcycle, and you turn your motorcycle back on, the ABS stays off. You don't have to hustle through the menu again. All right? I hope this is gonna help a bunch of you.